Hello traders, this is Ad Zeros and today I'm gonna show you some of the key important patterns which you need to learn in order to day trade, and also I'm gonna teach you that how you can build up your position and take the advantage of it. So stay tuned until the end of the video. You're gonna learn so much. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you really think that you have learned from this video. So let me show you the first trade what I had in Mara. And if you have missed our pre-market trading show, we have done a fabulous job. We have discussed so many ideas, and most of the ideas are working. So I'm gonna showcase to you what we have discussed today, and also I'm gonna share you one of my yesterday trade. I have a solid 2-day trading days, which I have did a very good trade. So I'm gonna showcase to you as well. So if you look at it, we have discussed in the morning that the Mara was gapping up, but it losing all the way. It was just keep losing all the levels in the pre-market, and by the time market opened, it was already a red. And then if you look at it, this pattern I liked it. The 5 minutes breakdown and the consolidation, and then break of this at the 49. So this was really nice momentum consolidated pattern. Just remember this pattern. You're gonna learn so much and make money out of this pattern. So what happened now that I was waiting for it, and then the moment it's broke this, I basically went five contract of the put on April 16th expiry with the 5 minute candle. And it does mean that I went long on the put option because I'm expecting the stock, underlying stock to go lower and to lose the value. So, and the way I traded is basically the moment it fell from this level, and I started covering it, and I covered here. But is all the way trending. I was not expecting that bigger move from the Bitcoin, because I was thinking it's gonna bounce back because it was gapping up in the pre-market, and then maybe give some downward trend. But it's just keep falling. I wish I would have stayed at least at this point, but no, I just basically closed all my position here. But anyway, it was a good trade, and that is we need to learn from this. Next one, I wanted to excuse me. I'm going to show you the pins trade. So pin trades is going to show you the how you consolidate. So in the morning we have discussed this that this is has it will gonna go down because it was extended on a daily level. It was in the moment it's opened the market, it was just gapped up, pushed up so much. I would just keep watching it, that what it's gonna do. At 12:20 around, I've looked at it that it is going towards a resistance of 85.40, and I was not sure that whether it's going to continue all the way here, or it's just going to turn down at this level. So what I did, I basically started taking my position as is moving up, and my stop loss would be the 85.40 break of that. And then moment it started coming down, I add my final piece here, and then I took my first partial here and the second closed the position here because it's taking too long on this area of consolidation. But I have just little waited. I waited half an hour, but I've waited a little bit more. Look at this, that how beautiful that trade was. Can go up to the 82, 87, but unfortunately I didn't. It was taking too longer. There was no momentum here. But that is the game of the day trader. But what I wanted to show you that how you can build a position. If you're not sure, you can go the smaller sizes and you can build the position as you move on. The next one, I wanted to show you the lift trade, which is a 2 days ago, and it's a beautiful pattern as well. Just keep an eye on it. So you're gonna learn this. So if the lift is an important one, if you look at it, that is gapping 5 minutes breakdown, but there's a doji candle doesn't show any pattern whether it is going up or down. So moment it's rejected the first opening candle and it came down, I basically went short here and then cover all the way in the second candle, and then I closed the position, and this time I was very good in my closing it. And look at it, after I closed it, it went all the way up. And because the 2 days ago the SPY was really day before, the SPY was really moving up. So this is the way I traded, and I hope you have learned it from this video. If you have learned, and I think that if you think that I've really teach you something, so please do subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and feel free to share with your friends, and let me know if you want to learn about some other setup or you have other questions, and join me on my pre-market trading show. Thank you very much.